Hello and welcome to a first look at a brand new stamp set from Trinity Stamp's Greatest Friend on Earth release. This is called LeCirque Stamps and Coordinating Dies. Calling all Circus fans, time to head over to the big top and watch the show. This 18-piece 4x6-inch stamp set helps create magical circus scenes with flying trapeze artists and performing seals. The set coordinates with the Greatest Friend on Earth and the Balancing Act stamp sets wonderfully, so you can combine any of these stamp sets together for a great look. It also perfectly pairs with the Big Top paper piecing die set to create your own Big Top scene. There is a coordinating die set that cuts out all of the images. I really like this look. It has a very whimsical yet very artsy look. Here is a sample that is created with one of the images and combined with one of our new stencils coming from the same release. You can see here how quick and easy it is to create a special card. Here are some new samples from our design team. Combined with the products you already have on hand, or work them together and add one of our new coordinating die sets, this is going to be so much fun to go to the circus. I hope that you have enjoyed a first look at LeCirque stamp set and coordinating dies from the Greatest Friend on Earth release from Trinity Stamps, available April 30th, 2021.